Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, integrate this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, visualize this whole thing here. Well, break this up. Break this up so it's like this. Break it up so it's like this. So here you've got one block multiplying with another block, multiplying with another block. You see this thing here is the exact derivative of this. So we've used this trick in the past. So now let's w be x to the power 3. So if w equals x to the power 3, then dw equals this thing here. Make dx a subject here. So dx equals this thing. So we can now put it into here. And then remember this thing here is w here. And then we're going to put the w into here. Okay, leave this x squared alone because later on it's going to get cancelled out with this. So substitute everything in there. It will then give you this. It will then give you this. And then now this thing here will get cancelled out with this. And don't forget that a third is a constant, so we can take it out here. So that will then take us to here. And then now it's just integration by parts. So let's just concentrate on this bit here. Remember the third later. Okay. So now let's just concentrate on this bit here. So now use integration by parts. Just on this bit here. Hang on. Just on this bit here. Remember the third later on. So integrating that will then give us. So now integration by parts. So let this be u. Let this be v prime. If u equals w, then u prime equals 1. If v prime equals this, integrated, then the normal v would be this. So now blindly follow this. It's saying get u times v. It's saying get u times v. So that would be w e to the power of w minus the integral of. It's saying get u prime times v. It's saying get u prime times v. So that would be e to the w dw. So now this here is straightforward to integrate. So this here is in effect this. And then now this is straightforward to integrate. So integrate that, it will then give you this. Okay. And then earlier we said so overall this whole thing here becomes this. So this was what we were trying to integrate right from the start. So integrating this would then give us this. And then earlier we said let w equals x to the power 3. So earlier we said let w equals x to the power 3. So we can now put this into here, into here, into here. That will then take us to this. So this here is your final answer. Okay. So next question here. So somehow integrate this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to integrate this, let w equals the square root of x. So if w equals the square root of x, then dw equals this thing here, and then rearrange it to make dx the subject. So now we can then put this into here, and put the w into here. Okay. So that will then take us to here. That will then take us to here, and then we've still got this square root lingering around. We are trying to integrate everything with respect to w, but then we still got this annoying x lingering around. So we would then go back to here. We would then go back to here. We said that let w equals the square root of x. So the square root of x is in effect w. So this square root of x here, is in effect w. So now that will then take us to here. Okay. So now integrate this. We'll try to integrate. Here we've got to use integration by parts. But try to do it in your head, because this is quite straightforward now. So train yourself to be able to integrate it by parts in your head. So remember, this here is your u This here is your v prime. This is your v prime. Try to do it in your head because it's going to be uv minus u prime v and then d in this case dw here. Well, try and integrate it in your head, but if you can't, then do it the long route. But train yourself to do this in your head because it's quite straightforward. It's only one step. So integrate, use integration by parts. That will then take you to here, and then now it's blah blah. Overall, the answer is this. Okay.